All right, Greenhorn TOC out on Lake Washington. Key and I's other home lake have a cabin on the south side, and practice has been atypical for us. We got some things to figure out today. We are going to start out deep just to try it. Did not get a deep bite all day. Got boat 19. Everybody's going to Stella. We're not going to Stella. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna be fishing some docks, a lot of docks today. We got a massive cold front. It's windy, it's cold. I don't know. We're gonna see how this one goes, but stay tuned to find out. Starting with the skirted net. Huh? I'm just starting with the skirted net. Can't even cast it. Alright, first spot, we decided to call an audible. We're gonna fish some gravel that we've got. Oh, look at these guys, just starting right there. We're gonna fish some gravel that we've got here, and then we're gonna go shallow after that. This spot didn't hold any fish for us at all in practice, but we know there can be fish here, and there's gravel here. So with this cold weather and a lot of wind, they might be hunkered on those. So we're gonna give it a shot, and then we're probably gonna go shallow the rest of the day if it doesn't pan out after the first half hour. Alright, I'll throw the soda. Leave that ping on for right now. Oh, so you can. I don't want to see what the water temp is in here. If it is indeed shallow or warmer or not. Weed cover up your shoe. Yep. And again on the shore. Don't know how this is gonna go, but windy side dock. If there's not a fish underneath this tree, we're in trouble. Huh? If there's not a fish under this tree right here, we're in trouble. Yeah. I know. Remember, there's a little bar of rocks out here too. Where the hell did this thing got? He's up there. Like he's moseying around gonna be a tough day.
Yep. It's gonna be really tough.
I already don't like it. Yep. It's impossible to skip with the waves too. Fish on that damn tree. Yeah, it's getting worse. Fish. Big one, big one, big one. I would throw a swim jig. I don't know, that's a 2.5 pounder. It's the first one, we're on the board, boys. Well, had a little mishap. Completely screwed my jig rod. We are not on today. We're not on. We gotta figure out how to turn it around here. 9 o'clock already, and we've got one fish in the box, so we got to figure out. And our first couple of dock stretches have not held any fish, so we're hoping we can get one off of this one, which has been the best one we've had for a long time. See, I don't know. We will see. Second fish. All right, he's number 2. Okay. Need to be fishing right where we are right now, like the oh, it's a giant pike. It's a giant pike. We're catching pike when we never do.
We're not on the bow.
No. Of course we're catching pike when we never do.
About as many pike as we have bass.
Yep. We have no sun, nothing that would put them here. 2-3, not big. It's the smallest one yet. It's bad. Could be up in the shallow stuff. I mean, caught fish here before, just not big ones.
Right.
See, now it's warm.
I know.
To make like 2 more flips and we're going.
You don't want to hit this tree.
Well, we can try. This is nasty in here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of dead shit.
Me said he practiced 4 days.
Big it.
Oh, I don't know if I hear him still or not. So hard, dude.
It's so difficult. They get you on a weed and they just come off.
Yep.
Did you even tell how he felt?
He felt decent. Don't really know how big though. Well, just lost one. Here we go. That's number 4. We're trying to make something happen here. All right, go up there. People are coming back over here. We needed that one so bad. Oh my God. You almost done?
I'm done.
Okay. I don't know if that was a fish or not. Oh, yes, yes. Number 5, not big, but we managed to get 5 after losing a bunch of fish. So this is big, big. Maybe we could pull a big bite off of one of these. But if the wind just becomes too much, then we're gonna have to go back to the one stretch on the far side, which somebody's probably fished.
throwing that swim jig.
Okay. Oh, look at this guy. Motor problems. Sun's up, they might have started to open their mouths a little bit on this windy stuff. Woodblock. We don't have a choice but to go, and probably need to go back to that corner. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna be fishing behind people again, but I feel like that one stretch that we fished and we got a couple bites on the far side will be fine.
Right.
But we've got nothing right now. Nobody's fished this.
Fish.
Good one?
I don't know. He's running at me.
Nope. Is he gonna help? Yeah, he is. Wait, that's that one. There you go, Key.
Alright.
Let's go, dude.
Wow, that feels good. Are you recording?
Yep.
Another one.
See if it calls. Holy, that was a big pike.
Try to grab you.
Yeah, came full out of the water for it. I think it was a pike. I hope it was, because if it wasn't, it was a giant bass. And it looked like a pike when it came out of the water. And pike are usually the only ones that do that.
Fairly low bass for that.
Oh, hooked up.
Hooked up for big, giant pike. It's a giant walleye.
What?
It's a giant walleye.
That's what ate my jig. Oh my god, dude, that's a pig. That is a pig. Why is he up shallow like this?
It's a giant walleye.
That's what came after my jig, dude.
Yeah.
Holy.
Look at that walleye.
On a swim jig in 2 feet of water.
That's crazy.
That's how our day is going right now. Here we go. Upgrade. You had to get them to bite 3 times. Hey, chill. Go slow through here. Turn the trolling motor down. Well, of course we didn't have the camera on. We made 2 upgrades. I just caught a 3 1/4. We're up to like 15 something. I mean, anything helps us at this point, so. Windy Bay. So yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna keep working around this weed bed and hope we can find a couple here. We've decided to start throwing a chatterbait, a swim jig, and got 2 better ones. We've got a bunch that are the same size. They're all so close in size, it's so hard to tell which one is bigger. So we're just gonna keep fishing in here and see what happens. It's windy as heck. We gotta go. 54. Last cast. Come on, last cast magic.
Never happened before. Make it happen.
Alright, we gotta go. We gotta frickin' idle out of here. Go in and see how we did. So I'm finishing up editing this video here from the Greenhorn TOC, and I realized that I didn't actually film an outro. So here's my outro. I don't know, a month after this happened, but it was a tough tournament. We struggled to get bites pretty much all day. And what I found out after the tournament was over is that a lot of the areas that we fished, the winning team fished those same areas. They just fished slower than we did. We ended up with like 15 pounds. That put us in like, I don't know, 10th place or something like that. So not enough for a check. But overall, it was a learning experience for us, especially on our home body of water, or our second home body of water. It was definitely a learning experience because usually we can get bites right out in front of those docks. And the guys that won it, they were skipping it way up underneath and fishing each dock really slow, which is something that we don't usually have to do out there. So overall, it was a good tournament and a good season, made the TOC. But other than that, that's kind of my recap from the TOC for 2025. And I'm hoping that we get a couple more tournaments here to end the season off, 2 on Lake Minnetonka. And that's going to cap off the tournament season. So thanks for tuning in to all the videos. It's been another learning experience, how to edit videos, which has been pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys.